You can also set up your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE to show up specific set of screens when you connect it to charging. So when I'll connect it to charging, it will open up this set of screens. So right now I have a smart things screen, shows you the time, weather, your smart devices. You can switch between different screens, which shows you different things, and you can add different functionality here. So this is something that you can set up for your tablet when you're charging it. So you can turn this feature on by going in settings, then go in advanced features, and here go in daily board. So if you go in daily board, so here you can select what is it that will show up on the screen when you'll start charging. So the first one is time, weather and calendar, memos, smart things, slideshows, and then you can go in them and you can customize them further. You can change the clock types, you can show schedule as well if you want. Then we have smart things, and here you can show your smart products that are connected to smart things. Then you have slideshow. Here you can select albums, you can select dynamic lock screen, order, transition speed, slideshow style. So there's a lot of customization that you can do if this is something that you want to use when charging. This can be used as a nightstand as well. You can put it on the shelf and show your family photos on it as well. So there's a lot of functionality that can come out of it. And then there are these options on how to open the daily board. You can set it to show up when you will start charging. Now here I want to show you something. It says auto start when connected to a USB charger. You can go in here, you can turn it on, but then you can also set the angle for it to auto start. So you can set it to not work when it is lying flat on the table and work when it is propped up. So if we turn it on, you can then select the angle of how you want it to work. So there you go. From here you can select the exact angle, and this is really cool. And how this works, this is fantastic. So you can select the angle at which angle you want this to turn on, and in that way, if it's on your table and it's charging and it's lying flat, it won't work. But if you prop it up at night on your nightstand, it will start working. And a really cool feature here is that you can see exactly the angle at which it is lying at on this table, which is 173 or 74 degrees. Because it's not lying flat, it's propped up against this Galaxy Watch Ultra case for me to easily shoot this video, and that is amazing.